Yeah, it's just like fucking 2 degrees in Dalston Yard and it's freezing cold. It's a labour of love, that's all I'm saying. My name's Elliot. I run LAGOM, which is a Swedish English inspired barbecue venture which is launched here in Street Feast Dinerama in Shoreditch. It's my first solo venture. I've been working in London for the last 5-6 years as a chef, but yeah, finally at a stage now where I'm sort of cooking my own food and yeah, it's all based around the fire and basic things, but product led, good quality produce, seasonal. That's all there is to it. But I didn't mean it. But he is so pretty, I couldn't hold back, I couldn't help it.
What does it feel like to be running your own joint at 24?
To be entirely honest, I've not really thought about it. You push and push and push and push and push and push for the next goal, right? For the next sort of stage in your career, which for me was been quite a jump. You know, the last couple of years have been pretty hard graft. So I'd say I'm ready for it, but you're never quite ready. You know, you're always thinking that, and then it hits, and you think, I've done it now. I mean, it's overbearing, but I didn't mean it. Pickles, being a Swede, they're loaded with dill. Let's go a bit of sour apple, which is, yeah, smoked apple, which we blend with a bit of smoked butter. So that is your chopped pork bone. So food for me has always been a really important part of growing up. You know, I come from a family of 7 of us, you know, five siblings. Food was a big part of our daily routine and sort of getting together and mucking in with everyone and sort of catching up with everyone. And equally with friends and stuff like that, my most enjoyed time with friends is, yeah, Sunday, Monday in the pub, eating a lunch and taking it easy, you know, that's the way we love to do it. See that, how that's like hollowed out completely in the middle? That's exactly what you want. Exactly what we want. And I'm sorry if I was overbearing, but I didn't mean it. But you're so that's us. Rack and mutton tomahawk. Like I couldn't help it. No, it's a great place to be at the moment. Really fun, super exciting, and you know, I can whinge and moan about all the hard work and the cold hours and all that sort of stuff, but it's, you know, we do it because we like what we do, and people are as excited about it as we are, and it's being, you know, received as well as we expect and as we hope. So that's all we're ever after, you know, us chefs. We're eager to please.